The Internet of Things, IoT, is a revolutionary concept that stands at the forefront of technological evolution, reshaping the way we interact with the world around us. At its core, IoT is about connectivity, a network of devices, from everyday household items to sophisticated industrial tools, all communicating and sharing data via the Internet. This interconnectedness promises to make our lives more convenient, efficient, and responsive to our needs. The impact of IoT extends beyond smart homes and wearables. It's a force driving innovation in numerous sectors, including healthcare, agriculture, and urban development. As we stand on the brink of a new era where virtually everything can be interconnected, understanding IoT's potential and challenges becomes crucial, heralding a future where the line between the physical and digital worlds increasingly blurs. Understanding IoT, basics and components. The Internet of Things, IoT, is an intricate system where physical objects are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These interconnected objects, ranging from ordinary household items to sophisticated industrial machinery, form a network that can collect, share, and analyze data, facilitating greater efficiency and automation. Key components of IoT. Sensors, devices. The foundational elements of IoT. Sensors and devices collect data from their environment. This data can be as simple as a temperature reading or as complex as a full video feed. Connectivity. IoT devices need a way to connect to the cloud to send and receive data. This can be achieved through various methods, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, and satellite connections. Data processing. Once the data is collected, it needs to be processed and analyzed. This can happen either on the device itself, edge computing, or in the cloud. User interface. The final component is the interface through which users interact with the IoT system. This could be a simple notification on a phone, a detailed dashboard on a computer, or even commands issued through voice assistants. These components work together to create a system that can autonomously perform tasks based on the data received, make decisions, and provide valuable insights. The applications of IoT are diverse, ranging from monitoring environmental conditions to automating manufacturing processes, revolutionizing how we interact with the physical world. IoT in daily life. IoT's integration into daily life is subtle yet profound, significantly enhancing convenience, safety, and efficiency. From homes to healthcare, IoT's applications are diverse and growing. Examples of IoT in everyday life. Smart homes. IoT is at the heart of the smart home revolution. Devices like thermostats, lighting systems, and security cameras can now be controlled remotely through smartphones. Smart appliances can optimize energy use and provide maintenance alerts, making homes more efficient and comfortable. Wearable technology. Wearables like fitness trackers and smartwatches use IoT to monitor health metrics, track activity levels, and even alert users to potential health issues. Healthcare. IoT devices in healthcare, such as remote monitoring equipment, enable doctors to keep track of patients' vital signs in real time, facilitating timely medical interventions. Transportation. Smart vehicles equipped with IoT sensors can provide real-time data on traffic conditions, optimize routes, and improve safety. In cities, IoT is used to manage traffic flow and public transport efficiency. Retail and supply chain. IoT is revolutionizing retail with smart inventory management, enhancing the supply chain's efficiency. In stores, IoT technologies can offer personalized shopping experiences based on customer preferences and behavior. The proliferation of IoT in daily life demonstrates its potential to make our lives more connected and responsive to our needs. As technology continues to advance, the scope of IoT's integration into our daily routines is bound to expand, making life more convenient and efficient. IoT in business and industry. The Internet of Things, IoT, is revolutionizing business and industry by enabling new levels of efficiency, innovation, and data-driven decision-making. Across various sectors, IoT is being leveraged to optimize processes, reduce costs, and enhance product and service quality. Impact of IoT across industries. Manufacturing. IoT is pivotal in the evolution of smart manufacturing, or Industry 4.0. Sensors on equipment provide real-time data on performance, allowing for predictive maintenance and minimizing downtime. IoT also enables automation and more efficient control of production processes. Agriculture. IoT technologies in agriculture, such as soil sensors and satellite imagery, help farmers monitor crop health, optimize water usage, and improve yield field predictions. Healthcare. In healthcare, IoT devices like wearable health monitors and smart medical equipment are transforming patient care by providing continuous monitoring and data collection for better diagnosis and treatment. Logistics and supply chain. IoT provides enhanced transparency in logistics through real-time tracking of goods, optimizing routes, and managing inventories efficiently. Energy management. IoT is used in smart grids to balance energy supply and demand, improving efficiency and integrating renewable energy sources effectively. IoT's integration into these industries not only boosts operational efficiencies, but also opens up new business models and opportunities. For instance, companies can use IoT data to offer personalized services, predictive maintenance, and enhance customer engagement. Challenges and concerns. While IoT offers immense benefits, it also presents significant challenges and concerns that need addressing. Security. With a growing number of devices connected to the internet, IoT systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks. Ensuring the security of these devices and the data they transmit is paramount. Privacy. IoT devices collect vast amounts of data, raising concerns about user privacy. Effective policies and controls are essential to protect sensitive information. Data management and analysis. The sheer volume of data generated by IoT devices can be overwhelming. Efficient data management and analysis are crucial for deriving meaningful insight. Interoperability and standards. As IoT encompasses a wide range of devices and systems, ensuring they can work together seamlessly is a challenge. Establishing universal standards and protocols is vital for the smooth functioning of IoT ecosystems. Digital divide. The rapid deployment of IoT technologies risks widening the digital divide. Ensuring equitable access to IoT benefits is important for inclusive growth. Addressing these challenges requires coordinated efforts from industry stakeholders, governments, and regulatory bodies. Establishing robust security protocols, privacy laws, and standardization frameworks will be key in realizing IoT's full potential while mitigating risks. The future of IoT. The future of the Internet of Things, IoT, promises to be as transformative as its rise. With rapid technological advancements and increasing adoption, IoT is set to further permeate various aspects of our lives and work. Emerging trends and predictions, greater integration and automation. IoT is expected to become more deeply integrated into daily life and business operations, leading to increased automation. Smart cities, where IoT manages everything from traffic to environmental monitoring, are a glimpse into this future. Advancements in AI and machine learning. The integration of AI with IoT will lead to smarter, more adaptive systems. IoT devices will not only collect data, but also make intelligent decisions based on AI-driven insights. Edge computing. To manage the data deluge, there will be a shift towards edge computing, where data processing happens closer to IoT devices, reducing latency and bandwidth use. IoT in healthcare revolution. IoT's role in healthcare will expand, with innovations like remote surgery and more advanced wearable health monitors. The ongoing evolution of IoT holds the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, customization, and convenience. As IoT becomes more sophisticated, it will open new avenues for innovation, reshaping industries and everyday experiences. Looking ahead, IoT's integration with AI and advancements in edge computing are set to further revolutionize its capabilities. The promise of IoT lies not just in the technology itself, but in its potential to enhance the quality of life and foster a more connected, efficient, and intelligent world.